Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to leave a group in Pinterest boards on an Android device. Well, if the content being shared on the group boards no longer align with your interests or needs, you may choose to leave to focus on more relevant boards. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Pinterest application on your device. Okay, next, here you can click the profile icon. Okay, after that, select collaborating board. And then, the way to leave the board, click the three dots at the top right corner and select edit board option. Okay, lastly, you can click leave board here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to leave a group in Pinterest boards on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.